Hey you, my name is Thomas Tomsko Ridgewell, and welcome back to Content! That feels dirty coming out of my mouth. That's not me, but I've been told that I look like the guy. So, this package I have in front of me is a very special package. I am a huge fan of Dark Squidge and Tomska, Eddie Boley, Elliot Goff, the whole crew, and they came up with a card game about a year ago, and it's called Muffin Time. And if you know, they are the creators of Astif Movie, and you know, the little suicidal muffin as well. That's that one. Anyways, they came up with a card game, and I've backed it almost immediately when they announced it. I just looked online. I was backer number 98. I was one of the first 100 people to back this project, and I'm pretty sure they hit their goal within like 24 hours, which was amazing. I think it's about 25,000 backers for this project, and I was within the first 100, so I kind of wanted this. But I backed this August 14th, 2019, and today is August 27th, 2020, and it just arrived at my door, and I have been looking forward to this for a very, very long time. As you can see on the box, they have a lot of characters from the game. They're characters within the game, but they're also characters from Astif Movie as well. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna look around and see if oh yeah, the muffin was at the very front there. But I wanted to make this video because, again, I'm a massive fan. I've been wanting to get this for a while, and it's finally here, so it's time to open it up. And while I do that, I'm going to tell a little bit of a story as well. So I ended up backing one of the ones called the Kickstarter one, so I get the full game, which is for 2 to 6 players, and also comes apparently with some Kickstarter exclusive cards, and perhaps a couple of other goodies as well. So let's be very gentle here. Very gentle. Steady. Okay. I think I did it. Okay. Oh, already I'm just... Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay, right off the bat, right here is a thank you card. And yeah, so it says thank you from the Muffin Time team, and it says, "Hi, I live in a square box that's filled with magical ponies, exploding turtles, and llamas that don't know how to drive, and it's all thanks to you. This Kickstarter campaign has been something crazy, but now it's time for the journey to end and for you to start playing your brand new card game. As always, good luck, have fun, and watch out for skateboarding cows." If you know Astif Movie, you understand the reference. So I'm going to put that there for now, and I'm going to pull out some of the stuff from the side, just to start things off. Alright. Oh, here he is. So one of the things, it comes with a little suicidal muffin pin. Oh, he is just adorable. So we get a shot of that. He just wants to die. I understand. I'm kidding. So these are some of the extra cards that you get for backing on Kickstarter. As you can see, this one of these is an action card. It's called Got It Back In. Steal another player's entire hand and put it anywhere in the deck. As you can see, cards, and this is one of the cards here. All right. So you can see the little tongue thingy hanging out here. This is the gamepad. So you can see here on the left you have the deck pile, and then you have a spot for the discard pile as well. And that's nice quality. I like that. That's really good. So the moment of truth. Everything is here. The box is in here, and they hit all of their stretch goals. So that means that, you know, we had like extra cards as well. There's some holographic cards as well. But one of the main things that they had for their stretch goals was to make the box holographic. So here we go. Muffin Time, a card game where anything can and probably will happen. Oh, right. So that is the box. That is absolutely beautiful. That is just so you can see right on the oh no. So right on the bottom of the box, the little muffin's been squished. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna put the box off to the side there. So just looking at the box, get ready for a very unpredictable card game about muffins. Unleash runaway trains, exploding turtles, and homicidal potatoes to crush your friends, steal their cards, and win the game in style. Yeah, right there, over £1 million on Kickstarter. Everyone at Turbo Punch, thank you for this. This is absolutely incredible. I think that's a little bit of tape there, so I'm gonna be very, very careful in trying to open this. I just got it. I don't want to. Okay, there. Okay, that's good there. I don't think there's any. There's one on this side as well. They're also cool. The whole box is decorated with characters from Asdf Movie. And if you haven't seen Asdf Movie, that's a ASDF movie, so it's worth a look. So, without further ado, time to open the box. And here we go. Awesome. So there's the lid. Put that over here. Okay. Nice little Big Potato Games sticker. Thank you very much, Big Potato Games. Actually, I have another Big Potato game over behind the camera, and it's called Blockbuster, based on the Blockbuster company. A lot of fun. We'll play that at some point. There is your rule books. Do an internet. Hate reading? We've made a super simple video for you to watch. Search How to Play Muffin Time Game on YouTube. Yep, it tells you everything here. That is awesome. And there's even a little QR code in here, so you can watch all of the Asdf movies that started back in 2007. Guys, I am utterly impressed here. I know this took forever, but I am so grateful that it's finally here. So, right off the bat, again, so this is really cute. So, the basic pack of cards. The very first card in the pack is the very first joke from Asdf Movie. It's got your nose. So there are action cards, there are trap cards, and then there are counter cards, which can counter any of the action or trap cards. Here's what you're missing. Oh, okay. So this is what I could have gotten as well if I had backed higher on Kickstarter. So there's the Rainbow Pack, 40 extra cards that are so magnificent you might just throw up. And the Pie Flavor Pack, 40 extra cards to spice up your game, includes a pie-flavored pie. So, right on the inside here, I'm going to take the little plastic bit out. The box is empty now, but right in the center is the little muffin. And this is really cool. Like I said, I backed this middle of August last year. It has been over a year now. They hit their goal within 24 hours, and I am so happy to have been one of the over 25,000 people, but also one of the first 100 to have backed this project, very proudly backed this project. And now I'm going to take this game and I'm going to go play Muffin Time with my friends. So until next time, not Tomska out.